Hi guys, welcome to the brand new section, Infrastructure as Code. In the section, we will focus on Azure CLI 2.0 and Terraform. Now, we move on to the first video, Azure CLI 2.0. In this video, we're going to install CLI and create a virtual machine. To install Azure CLI on Ubuntu, modify your sources list. Run this command. Then, get the Microsoft sign-in key with this command. Now, to install the CLI, first we'll install apt transport HTTPS. It might have been installed already. Update the app cache and install Azure CLI using this command. This may take some time. To sign in, use AZ login command. If the CLI can determine your default browser and has access to open it, it will do so and direct you immediately to a sign-in page. See? We logged in successfully. Now, let's create a virtual machine using the Azure CLI SDK. If you wish to create a new resource group, this is the syntax. We'll use an existing group. To create a virtual machine, just run this command. Provide your resource group, VM name, image, and username in this manner. It'll generate SSH key if the key is not present. Give it some time. You'll see an output similar to this if the command runs successfully. You can even confirm it on the portal. Here's the virtual machine that we created.